One of the fastest ways to stress yourself out as a plant owner is trying to keep everything in your head. You tell yourself that you'll remember when that plant needs water, when the fertilizer is due, when you meant to rotate that fiddle leaf fig, and then suddenly you're panic watering 6 plants at 10 p.m. because you realize you forgot. Today we're building a plant care routine that actually works, not because it's perfect, but because it's sustainable.
Plant care gets overwhelming when every task feels random. Watering, rotating, fertilizing, remembering who needed what. The larger your collection gets, the more important systems become.
A lot of plant routines fail because they're built around rigid schedules instead of observation. Plants don't read calendars. Your home changes, seasons change, light changes. A watering schedule that worked in January might completely fail in July. If we haven't met yet, my name is Tim, and this is the Chlorophyll Chronicles. We're glad to have you with us. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. That's the best way to build this community. Let's get back to the video. Instead of trying to force your plant into a fixed routine, create a routine for checking your plant. That small mindset shift changes everything.
Routine doesn't always mean doing more. Sometimes it means creating tiny moments of awareness. A quick glance at leaves, checking soil while you walk by, checking issues before they become emergencies.
The best plant routines usually have 3 simple parts. First, daily awareness. You don't need a full care session every day. Just notice things. Walk past your plants, look at leaves, check posture, spot dry soil, catch problems early. Second, weekly maintenance. This is where watering checks, rotation, pruning, cleaning leaves, and quick inspections happen. Third, seasonal adjustments. Repotting, fertilizer changes, lighting changes, environmental tweaks. Different jobs happen at different rhythms. Not everything belongs on a weekly checklist.
Weekly maintenance creates rhythm without locking you into rigid schedules. Watering checks, cleaning leaves, quick pest inspections, small habits compound into healthier plants.
The best routine isn't the most advanced. It's the one you'll actually follow. Some people love spreadsheets. Some people use reminder apps. Some people just pair plant care with Sunday coffee. Your routine should fit your personality, your schedule, and your collection size. Because the goal isn't becoming a full-time plant manager. It's building habits that keep your plants thriving without burning you out.
Use reminders. Use habit stacking. Use calendars, apps, notebooks, or simply Sunday morning plant time. Build a system you'll actually keep.
Once you build a sustainable routine, something interesting happens. You stop reacting to plant problems and start preventing them. But what if you want to take that even further? In the next video, we're getting much more specific. The plant care system I use for different types of plants, because pothos, monsteros, succulents, calatheas, orchids shouldn't all be living under the exact same rules. Next time, we're building a care framework for different plant categories so you can stop guessing and start customizing your care.